Hey, in this video, I just want to show you this cool skill that I've built in Claude that creates image generation prompts. So what you would do is you would ask Claude to run the travel city skill, and you can send that. And then what it will do is it will actually go and grab the city travel arts skill, and it will start to ask you some questions. So we'll just give it a few seconds to do what it needs to do, and it's going to literally ask me to type in the name of the city and then what kind of scene would I like. So you see all the scenes that appear. So this is pretty cool, right? So you can do the transit pass, which is like a vehicle from the city, so like a red London bus or a yellow New York cab bursts out of a travel pass. Night pass, culture pass. We've got all these passes, and then we've got the globe, and we've got the press travel poster. We've got the storybook. We've got the postmark and more. Now, this won't create the image, but it'll give you the prompt, and you can use that in Nano, Banana, or GPT, or wherever you create your images, right? So you could say, for example, New York, and then you could say, let's just do 3 of these. So we'll do the toy box, number 17. We'll do 11, the layers, and we'll do number 1, the classic. And then you send that on. And basically, Claude's going to use the prompts that I've taught it to then take the city, do some research, and create you the coolest image prompts that you can then use in your image generation software. So we will go and have a look at what that looks like. We'll use ChatGPT for creating the image in a second, and Claude's not the best at images, but it's great at writing prompts, and the skills are fantastic. So let this do its thing. It's deliberating, and it'll kind of figure out. So New York City, yellow taxi cab, Empire State Building, all the things. So it's going to do the toy box first, and then it literally spits out this awesome prompt. And you can see there that you just need to copy this from the negative prompt up to there. And then if you take that and you head on over to ChatGPT or wherever, paste that in, and you can run this. Nano Banana from Google is just as good. You know, there's lots of cool image generation AI out there right now. You could use different styles of AI image generation to do this, but you get the idea. And as this is kind of cooking, go back over to Claude, and we'll see that it's now spat out the other one down here. So you can see you've got the other one. You can go to this one, get ready for your next prompt. You can go back to ChatGPT, you see what's going on. You can get that one lined up ready, and you can build yourself a little workflow. Now, if you join my community, I'll actually show you how to automate this process so that you don't have to keep copying and pasting, which is even cooler. And you can just spit these things out literally all day long. There's lots of fun ways you can do this. You can build tools to do this, you know, but this is the basic. You use the skill, you get the prompt, you paste it in, you edit it if you want to, and then you can use these as the baseline for lots of other amazing things. So you can see there now we've got our image, and I'll show you this in bigger screen. There you go. So how cool is that? And now you could bring that to life in a video tool or whatever you want to do. So let's run one more, just see how this skill works. And if you want the skill and you want to join my community, all you need to do is click the link around this video or comment below, and I'll make sure I send it so you're in the right spot. But this is pretty much my city travel fun skill that I built out in Claude that just takes the strain away from remembering the prompt and having to figure all this stuff out yourself. So we'll see one more. And of course, as this one is cooking, you can go back to Claude, and then you've got the other one down here. This is the transit pass. Make sure you copy out of the box and get the negative prompts as well. That stops it from doing unnecessary things. There's also a thing for aspect ratio. You can decide that as well. You can change, edit, do what you need. So now we're back to ChatGPT. Again, we've got an amazing piece of art there. That's pretty cool, right? So these styles are designed for going viral. They're designed to be fun. They're designed to give you a starting point, and then you can use the skill, you can build on the skill, or you can edit these things however you see fit. So there we go. There's another one inside of ChatGPT right now. So if we've got this one, we've got this one, And it's a fun way to work with your favorite landmarks and favorite cities. Make sense? So comment around, subscribe and like and all of the things. Let people know that they can get this entire skill for free, can give you the entire skill for free. And you can also join my community and a big bunch of fun stuff that we're going to do with AI. So it's Danny Walsh. Excited to see what you do with these skills. Excited to see you on the next video. And I'm going to go ahead and run my next prompt and see where this takes me. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.